Alright, what's up you guys? It's your boy Jose. You already know I work endlessly to try to get you to understand how women think. And honestly, most guys think that they know what women want, but I really don't think you do. And today we're gonna dive deep. See, we're gonna dive deep into the mind of a woman, actually 4 women and 4 guys, and see exactly if all women think the same. Let's get this started.
Hi, my name is Salim.
Hi, my name is Veer. I'm 21 and I'm a software engineer.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Luis. I'm a YouTuber and I understand women because I catch them cheating all the time.
Come on, say, talk, no. Why are you always
That's right.
My name is Arthur. I'm 19, and you could say I'm decently well off.
What does that mean?
I have 6 houses.
Hi, my name is Maria. I'm 25 years old and I'm single. That's it. Wait, I'm 24.
Hey, I'm Nicole. I'm 23 years old and I'm an entrepreneur.
Hi, I'm Sydney. I'm 19 and I'm a film student.
Hi, I'm Nicoletta. I'm 19 and I'm studying to be pre-med.
Alright, today we're gonna find out if all women think the same. So to do this, every time I ask you a question, you could walk to your left, which the first line is agree, the second line is strongly agree, and then your first line to your right is you disagree, and the final line is that you strongly disagree. Cool? So all of these are assumptions that guys have about girls, and then, well, obviously we're here to find out if it's the truth. You guys ready? All women want guys that are 6 feet tall. Do you agree or disagree? Yeah, let's see neutral.
All right, I would say I'm kind of in between because I think girls on paper would write down probably that they'd want a guy that's 6 foot, but I'm not 6 foot and it works out for me.
Let's hear what the girls have to say. They disagree,
It's not the first thing we look for in a guy.
but you notice it. It
We
matters.
notice it, but it's not the first thing we look for in a guy.
So it's not a deal breaker
It's
to you.
not, no.
How about the girls behind you?
They could still be tall and not be 6 foot. Won't notice.
Agree.
Oh, so just taller than you?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're taller.
Let's hear what the girl has to say.
Well, I'm very tall as a girl, so I need a tall guy.
Fair enough.
I think it just creates a way of like dominance for females.
Trust fund?
I don't think it's the most important thing, but you certainly get noticed more.
Okay, fair enough. Back to the center. All women want to be married. Okay, so the women that said no,
I don't think every woman wants to be married.
that's not the dream anymore?
No. The dream's to financially support yourself, I think.
Okay.
I think we've depended on guys and been disappointed a good amount
Oh,
of
damn.
times.
Luis
So-
agrees back there.
I do. So I would say there's been like a whole wave of beta males coming out in this generation, and most men are mediocre or worse. So there's a lot of reason why I find that girls don't want to get married to these guys, and it's almost a better option to just stay single or
Damn.
date around, but not
Damn.
necessarily get married.
That's the truth right there. Let's ask the one woman that said she agreed.
Well, he's right, but I feel like that depends on your choice of men. So what kind of men are you choosing? I feel like girls actually do want to get married.
They just can't find the right guy.
Exactly.
Because like he said, every guy is a beta nowadays.
Not every guy. A lot of girls just take the first thing that comes to their door, and it's just true.
Okay, let's ask the neutral.
It's definitely not a priority anymore. I feel like being financially stable is a priority.
So you're
versus-
indifferent.
Yeah.
Indifferent. How about Veer?
I agree because I guess that's securing the bag. You're set for life.
All women have insecurities. This is interesting. A lot of guys over glorify women and put them on pedestals, which is why they get so awkward to talk to them. And I always tell guys, you know, every human has insecurities, whether it's a guy or a girl.
Well, I was kind of about to say the same thing you said. I feel like we all have insecurities. Some people don't see it. Like you probably like don't know I'm insecure about something, but I'm insecure about it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. How about the girls that agree?
Yeah, I feel like we're all human. We all have insecurities. Even if we mask it with like confidence, we're still like dealing with things.
And you still want a guy to approach you. You won't look at a guy
course,
less
yeah.
than,
Yeah.
right? Just because he might be a little shy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same thing. I think we all have insecurities, and I think the ones that are most confident have the most. And it's just a matter of how you carry yourself, but just be aware that everyone does.
Okay. Luis?
We all have insecurities, and insecurity is not even a bad thing. It's not a bad word. I think I told you the story. I got beat up basically in high school, so then I joined boxing, I joined wrestling, and I just worked harder on myself. We were born without money, so I had to work twice as hard because I was insecure about it and not becoming nothing in my life. So that forced me to work harder. So insecurities aren't a bad thing. I think we all have them. Some of the most beautiful women that I know, they're still insecure.
All right, perfect. That's it. Let's go back to neutral. I was trying to be nice. Let's go. All women belong in the kitchen. We got one traditional woman in the middle.
I don't necessarily think they belong in the kitchen, and it depends on culture too. Like in the Spanish culture, you saw my mom always cooking, so I saw that, so I was raised to be that way. But I don't think they need to be in the kitchen. I'm very in the middle about it.
Definitely not feminism. I believe equality. And it's definitely the way you were raised as well, because I grew up with my dad cooking as well, so I've seen both. I don't believe a woman belongs in the kitchen.
So my family and my culture is very big on food. Food brings us together. And so it's traditional for the mom or the wife or the girl in the house to cook the meals. And so that's something that I find as something comforting to me. It's something I'm used to my whole life. So while I don't think that women have to be in the kitchen and have to cook, it's something that I definitely have a personal preference to.
Would you respect a man's culture if that's what makes him comfortable? Or would you just not date that man?
I don't think there's any culture that says only women have to cook.
No, he said it's not forced. He just finds it comforting,
Oh, we find
I
it
believe he
comforting that
said.
a woman cooks?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I grew up in a household where women and men both cook, and you learn from both sides, and I think showing what you've learned growing up is good. But as for work, you may not need to work, but you still might want to work, and
Yep.
you both can work.
Max?
I think it's 2021. Like, no woman should be expected to be in the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah, I just had to come on this side because you guys use the word belong, and like I can't say a girl belongs in the kitchen. I think like if a girl decides to take care of her man or cook for him or something, I think it's an amazing quality. And like the girl I'm dating now, she does all these things. I never asked her to. She does it on her own, and I love that about her. So to me, I just think it's an amazing quality, but I don't think a girl belongs in the kitchen.
On point. How about Veer?
We're getting takeout, but no, in all seriousness, I think it should be 50-50. Like both men and women should be putting effort, and that's how it's happy life.
Okay, perfect.
Well, boys, what did we learn? Well, we honestly didn't learn anything. And honestly, bro, women are complicated. Okay, women are complicated. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think honest responses were made today. They weren't. And I'm sorry for wasting 10 minutes of your time, but women waste all our times because we cannot understand them. Clearly, we don't know how women think. I tried to help you boys out. Don't hate me in the comments. Yo, see you next time.